Hey guys, it's me Jeet and you're most welcome to this Google Ads on Air Universe, and today in this video I want to talk about keywords. So let's start the video. So what is keywords? Keywords are basically the words or the sentences that we search on Google or any other search engine or search bar. That all are keywords. For example, if we go to the Google and if we search for Google Ads, then it will be a keyword. If we search for Google Ad in USA, this will be also a keyword. If we search for Google Ads for Shopify, this will be also a keyword. So basically there are two types of keywords. The first one is short tail keyword and the second one is long tail keyword. So if any keywords contains 2 or 3 words, then we can call it a short tail keywords, like Google Ads or Google Ads parts. It is a short tail keyword. If we search for any keywords that contains more than 3 words, then it will be a long tail keywords, like Google Ads expert near me. It is a long tail keywords. Also we can divide keywords in 4 types, and they are informational keyword, commercial keyword, transactional keyword, and navigational keyword. So the informational keyword contains how, why, what. It is mainly the tutorial based questions like how to fix a flood bike tower. This is a informational keyword. Then the next segment of keywords is commercial keyword. It contains best review, compare, sites, product, or service name, like best inner tip for road bikes. And the third category of keyword is transactional keyword. Mainly when anyone want to buy anything, then search for this type of keyword. And this transactional keyword contains buy, cheap, to sell, online, download, sign in, etc. And the example of transactional keyword is buy tire tube online. Then here is the last types of keyword comes, and that is navigational keyword. And this is the site name, like when anyone search with the specific product name or specific services to the Google, then it will be a navigational keyword. Like if I am search for Google Ads, then I will get the Google Ads website. So this Google Ads will be a navigational keyword. So that's all about keywords for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.